Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to convert a photo to PNG format on your iPhone without using any additional applications. Please subscribe to the channel, write your comments, give me your likes. Let's get started. First, we need to go to the Gallery app with you. Now we click on the photo that we want to convert. At the bottom, we click Share. We scroll down to the bottom and we find Save to Files and we click on it. Now you and I can either save this photo to a folder that we already have, or we can create a new one. In order to create a new folder, we click on the three dots at the top. The three dots. We select New Folder. We can name it something. Save the folder. And then we add our photo to our folder by clicking Save. Great. We can do the same thing with multiple photos. To do that, we press Select. We select a photo. Click Share. Scroll through, click Save to Files. Since the folder is already created where we save our photos, we click Save. Great! We've got all of our photos in a file. Now we find the Files app on our phone. The app is available on all iPhone devices. If you don't have it like I do on my work screen, you can just swipe down. In the search bar, type the word Files. You'll see our app pop up. We click on it. This is where we can find our photos, or we can find a folder. Or we can just type in the search box and start typing in the name of the folder we just created. Click on it. It opens up our photos. In order to convert them to PNG format, we pinch the photo, then we select Quick Actions. Then we choose Convert Image. Here we are asked in which of the three formats we want to save our photos in the future. This will be JPEG, PNG, HEIF format. We choose the second option. We will also be asked in what size we want to save our future photo. Small, medium, large, or keep the size we have now. I'm going to leave it in the original. And now we wait for our photo to be converted to the new format. This could take about 10 seconds. Great! Now to make sure that we've changed the format of the photo, we need to pinch it. We select Get Info. And here we see PNG format. We've successfully reformatted our photo. We can do the same thing with several frames at once. To do this, we need to press the three dots at the top. Select. We select our photos for conversion. Then at the bottom, we find the flowers. Click on them. Then we click on Convert Image. We also select Format and Size. Now we wait for our photos to be converted. Now what else we can do with our photos? For example, we can open them. We can share them. We can share them on social media, or we can share them to email, or we can save them to our gallery. How do we do that? To do that, we click the Share button. Here we see a list at the bottom. Pause, where we can share this photo in a modified format. It can be mail, Instagram, some other applications, Telegram, Facebook, messages, and so on. Or we'll have contacts down here. And people on social networks that we often communicate with. We can choose them all at once. I'll select one of my Instagram contacts. Then we click Share. All of us have shared this photo. In order to check this, we open the Instagram app. Then we click on Correspondence. And we can see that we have a photo here that we have shared. So we've done everything right. Now what else can we do? The same thing we can do is we can select multiple photos at once. To do that, we click on the three dots at the top. We press Select. We select a photo. At the bottom, we click Share. And then we choose where we want to share those photos. We can also save them to our gallery. We can save one photo. To do that, we click on it, click Share. And here we find Save Image. We click on it. And to check if the photo is saved, we open the Photo app. And we can see that the photo has already been converted to a format and saved to our gallery. You can do the same with several photos at once. To do this, we just select them. Then click Share and choose Save 3 images. Go to the gallery. As we can see, all our converted photos are already saved in the gallery. This is how you can convert your photos in JPEG, PNG, HEIF format, without using any third-party application. Hope this video was useful for you. Like it, write comments, subscribe to the channel. See you later.